Let's do our homework for this part, and you can look at your notebook and page 25. There have some examples for you. The first one is, let's look at A, size of adult pinky fingernail, and for this one we know it's 1 centimeter, so the answer is X. B, thickness of a dime, and for this one the answer is 1 millimeter, so the answer is number 4. And C, and the width of 5 toes of an adult. And the answer for this one is 1, and this one is 1 decimeter, and it's 0.1 meters, so the answer is 9. And D, diameter of a CD and DVD. For this one is 12 centimeters, so this one is number 8. And E, width of a thumb across the joint, and for the thumb is 1 inch, so the answer is number 1. And the length of an adult male foot, so this one is easy, it's just 1 foot, so the answer is 3. And G, height of a standard doorway. Normally this is taller than me, so it's about 2 meters, so this is number 7. And H, width of a workbook, and for this one, and let's see, and it's about 20 centimeters, so it's number 6. I, average height of a 4-year-old child, and for this one is about 1 meter, and the answer is 2. And J, length of an adult pace, and for this one is 1 yard, so the answer is 11. The last one, the length of a CFL football field, and this one is 100 meters, so the answer is number 5. Okay, let's look at the second part. Choose the most sensible unit of measure for each. 8, a length of a soccer field, and a soccer field, and we see the millimeters, and the foot is too short and the mile is too long, so we just use meter. And distance between two distance, and normally we use kilometers or mile. And for this part we have mile, so we choose D. And number 10, diagonal measurement of a computer screen, and normally we use inch, because if you use MacBook Air, and it's maybe 11 inch or 15 inch, so we choose C. And 11, length of a safety pin, and the length of a safety, and for this one, a pin is like this long, and we can use a millimeter. And 12, length of a room. Normally we use feet, but for here, and we don't have feet, but which one is close to feet is yard, and 1 yard is 3 feet, so we use C. 13, width of an iPhone, and this one we use, and the foot, meter, and the yard are too large, so we just use millimeter, or sometimes we use inch. And 14, height of an elephant, and this one we don't use mile, is too large, inch is too small, and millimeter of course is too small, we just use foot. And or the height of an adult, we use foot. For me, my height is 6.2 feet. Okay, here's the answer for today's. If you have any questions, leave the comments below. Thank you.